I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am very happy today, Jake. I had a wonderful morning.
Oh? What made it wonderful?
I woke up early. I had my coffee by the window. The sun was out. Very peaceful.
Ah, the sun. I love sunny mornings. But I did not wake up early today.
No? Why not?
The alarm rang. I pressed snooze.
Snooze. Do you know this word, everyone? Snooze means you stop the alarm for 5 more minutes. You go back to sleep.
5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes.
And then you are late.
Yes, I was a little late today.
Well, Jake, this is actually our topic today.
Being late?
No, our topic is daily routines.
Routines? What is a routine?
A routine is the things you do every day, in the same order. For example, I wake up, I make coffee, I open the window. Every day. That is my morning routine.
Ah, a routine is like a plan, but every day.
Exactly. And everyone has a routine, even if it is a little different each day.
I have a routine. I wake up, I press snooze again.
That is a routine, yes.
But first, before we start, we have a small request.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English.
Thank you so much. It helps us a lot.
We love our listeners. Okay, let's talk about our day. Let's start in the morning. Jake, what is the first thing you do in the morning after the snooze button?
After snooze, I get out of bed.
Good. Get out of bed. That is a very common phrase. I get out of bed. What next?
I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
Perfect. Those are the basics. Wash your face, brush your teeth. We all do this every day.
Yes, and after that, coffee.
Of course, coffee is very important for you.
Very, very important. I cannot talk before coffee.
I believe you. I also love coffee, but I do one thing before coffee.
Before coffee? What is more important than coffee?
I open the window. Fresh air.
Fresh air before coffee. You are very healthy, Judy.
I try. The fresh air wakes me up. My body wakes up naturally.
For me, only coffee wakes me up, nothing else.
Different routines. Both are okay. Now, breakfast. Do you eat breakfast, Jake?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Jake, breakfast is important.
I know. When I have time, I eat toast.
Toast. Good. Quick and easy. I eat a bigger breakfast. Yogurt with fruit.
That is healthy. I only have toast with butter.
Toast is good. Simple. And what about after breakfast? You get ready?
Yes, I take a shower, a very hot shower.
Very hot?
Very, very hot. It wakes me up, like coffee but for my body.
That is a good description. Coffee for my body. I take a warm shower. Then I get dressed.
Getting dressed. This is my problem, Judy.
Your problem?
Yes, I open my wardrobe. My wardrobe is where I keep my clothes. I look inside and I think, I have nothing to wear.
Jake, you have many clothes.
I know, but nothing looks right in the morning. I try one shirt, no. I try another, no.
How long does this take?
Maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20.
20 minutes just for clothes?
Yes.
I have a solution, Jake.
Please tell me.
Choose your clothes the night before. Before you sleep, you pick your outfit for tomorrow. In the morning, no thinking. Just put them on.
Oh, the night before. That is very smart.
It saves a lot of time and stress.
I will try this tonight. Choose my clothes tonight for tomorrow.
Exactly. You got it. Good. Now you are dressed. Time to go to work. How do you commute?
Commute. What is commute?
Commute means travel from home to work every day. How do you travel to work?
Oh, I take the bus. I commute by bus.
Good. I commute by bus. Is it crowded?
Very crowded. Many people.
And what do you do on the bus?
I put in my headphones, I listen to music or a podcast.
A podcast? Like Enjoy English Talks?
Yes, enjoy English talks on the bus. Very useful.
I hope so. I commute by walking.
You walk? Every day?
Yes, about 20 minutes. I enjoy walking in the morning.
20 minutes is a long walk.
I don't mind. I look at the trees, I think about my day. No headphones.
Just thinking?
Just thinking. It is very peaceful.
I like that idea. Peaceful. It means calm, quiet?
Yes, exactly. Peaceful, calm, quiet, no stress. My morning walk is peaceful.
My bus is not peaceful.
No, but the podcast helps. Okay, we arrive at work. Jake, what is the first thing you do?
I make a coffee.
Another coffee?
The home coffee and the work coffee. 2 coffees.
2 coffees every morning.
Sometimes 3.
Jake.
I know. And then I check my emails, I start my tasks.
Me too. I read my emails first, then I plan my tasks for the day. Tasks means the work I need to do.
Yes, I have many tasks. Sometimes too many.
I understand. And lunchtime, do you bring food from home or do you buy?
I buy. I don't have time to prepare in the morning.
Because of the 20-minute wardrobe.
Yes, exactly. So I buy a sandwich or soup near the office.
I bring my lunch from home. I prepare it the night before.
The night before again. You prepare everything the night before.
Yes, clothes and lunch both the night before.
You are so organized, Judy.
It saves time in the morning, and it is cheaper to bring food from home.
That is true. Buying every day is expensive.
And do you eat with your colleagues at lunch?
Yes. Sometimes we sit together, we talk, we laugh. It's a good break.
Yes, a lunch break is important. Your brain needs rest too.
My brain needs food and rest. And coffee.
Yes, all 3. And what about the afternoon? How do you feel at 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock. This is a dangerous time.
Dangerous? Why?
My eyes feel heavy. I look at my computer and I think, I need to sleep.
Yes, many people feel this way in the afternoon. It is very normal.
Do you feel this too, Judy?
Yes, around 3 o'clock, my energy goes down. I feel slow.
Slow. Yes, everything feels slow.
What do you do?
I drink another coffee, of course.
Another one? Jake, how many coffees is that today?
3, maybe 4.
Jake.
I know, but it helps. And sometimes I eat a small snack.
A snack. Do you know this word? A snack is a small amount of food, not a meal, just a little something between meals.
Yes, a small snack, a biscuit or a banana.
Good. I also have a snack in the afternoon, an apple or some nuts.
Nuts, like peanuts?
Yes, peanuts, almonds, small and healthy.
I like peanuts, but I usually eat biscuits with chocolate.
Of course you do. I also drink green tea in the afternoon. No more coffee for me after lunch.
Green tea, does that help?
Yes, it is lighter than coffee, and it helps me feel calm.
Calm, no stress, peaceful.
Exactly. Very good, Jake.
I will try green tea tomorrow, after my 4th coffee.
One step at a time. And after work, how do you feel?
Tired, very tired.
Me too. After a long day, I am always ready to go home.
The best moment is when I open my front door.
Yes, home is the best. What is the first thing you do when you get home?
I take off my shoes, I change my clothes immediately.
Oh, yes, comfortable clothes. No more work clothes.
T-shirt and soft pants. The most important moment of my day.
I do the same. Change clothes the moment I arrive. And then?
I sit on my sofa. Just sit. I do nothing for 10 minutes.
Just sit. Yes, even 10 minutes of quiet is very good after work.
My brain needs to stop.
And then dinner. Do you cook?
I try, but I'm not a great cook.
What happened?
One time I made pasta. The pasta was okay, but I put too much salt.
Too much salt?
I took one bite and I drank a lot of water after. A lot.
Too much salt is a common mistake.
And one time I forgot the pasta in the water for too long.
Oh no. And the pasta?
Very soft. Very, very soft. Like soup. Pasta soup.
Pasta soup. That is creative, Jake.
My cooking is very creative. That's a good word for it.
I love that. Okay, so what do you make now?
Simple things. Pasta, eggs. Sometimes I order food.
Ordering food is easy and sometimes necessary.
Very easy and delicious.
I like to cook in the evening. I have more time after work. I make soup or vegetables.
That is healthy.
And I find cooking relaxing. Chopping vegetables, listening to music.
Chopping. You mean cutting.
Yes. Chopping is cutting food into small pieces. I chop the onion, I chop the carrots.
Ah, chopping. I chop badly.
Practice makes perfect.